outdoors. Sorry for the wind. It's just died down now, of course, but it will pick back up. We're down here at the dam. You can see you've got some cows over here. And we're going to be, this is the dam here. We're going to be, came down in the gator. We're going to be kayaking today in our Dragon Kayak .65N, that one there. It's like breakdown kayak, it's pretty cool. We only got it a couple days ago, so we're going to be testing it out today. So I just got to put a lifey on and then we'll start putting it together and getting it in the water, eh? Okay, I'll bring you back when we're ready. So I got it all together here. The cows got a bit curious and Misty's giving them a hard time underneath the gator there, but it's just held together with two like ratchet sort of things on each side, and you just slip it together and it goes together pretty nice. And it also has little hatches here, and that's where I'm going to be putting my phone so it doesn't get wet. Just turn the volume up, put that in there. Okay, so that's all in there now. Now I'm going to try and put it in the water. So this way it goes in first. Slide it down here. Okay. Sorry for the dodgy camera work there, guys. A bit hard. Okay, hopefully that'll stay there for now. I'm just gonna put you guys in the chesty and then I'll get in it, okay? I've got you guys in the chesty and I'll just grab this paddle here. Pretty nice paddle. Folds it off as well. Just gonna do me boots up, so that's good. And then I think we can get in it now. So this could be a bit dodgy because, well, it's my first time getting in this thing and I doubt it's going to be that easy, especially from where I'm trying to get in it from. But we can try and back up here a bit, which is going to fill the front up with water. So I reckon get this out of the road. Side of the bank. Sorry guys for the dodgy camera work just at the moment. We're just in the chest and it's a bit dodgy while I'm bending over. But here we go. Okay. I think we should be good. Okay. I'm just rethinking something here. I think I should take my boots off to get in here so I don't make it all dirty. And my socks as well. So just don't make this your kayak all dirty. Let's see what we can do here. Okay guys, we're in the kayak. We're in. Just gotta push off the back now. And there you go, floating. This kayak's actually really, really good. Easy to maneuver. Easy to transport. Quite easy to paddle. Now I didn't mention earlier that there is a piece that you can put in the middle of these two straps here, and it actually makes a double kayak. If you want a double kayak, you can have a double kayak. So I really like that about this kayak. I also quite like the easiness of transport. Like, I bring that down in the gator pretty quick, and it was all together and I had to undo it, and I did it all pretty reasonably quick to get it down here to make a video. And also guys, sorry for the lack of videos, just like for the last 2 weekends. I've had a few assignments to do, so I've been a bit caught up with that. So now that the term's over for school, pretty much won't have any assignments, so I won't need, so I'll be able to upload videos more recently. Yeah, so I'm quite enjoying this kayak at the moment. It's quite stable as well. Like, it's quite hard to tip anyway. Like, haven't got the oar in here to stable me at the moment, and it's really good. I'm liking it. I'm enjoying this kayak already, and I've only used it once. Yeah, I really like it. Okay guys, and I think I'll just paddle back over here into the shade, over the other side of this tree that's fallen into the dam. And we'll head to the outro now. Okay. As always guys, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Hit the thumbs up button. Follow me everywhere. There's the kayak all back and packed up in the gator. So